What's up, everybody? I just want to let you know, don't forget we are giving a griddle away at 1,000 subscribers, so stay tuned. Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we're going to be making a breakfast pizza. So let's come on in, check out these ingredients and get this going. It's going to be a quick cook, so let's check it out. So we got 4 scrambled eggs right here. We got some veggies, that's white onion, green pepper, and tomato. We got about 4 slices of some thick cut bacon. We got some tortillas, that's gonna be our crust of the pizza. And we got some cheese. Simple, let's just get it going. Got the griddle warming up. The wife wanted to throw on some, finish up this turkey bacon so we can get that out of here. So I got that going. Let's just throw on this bacon. This is some thick, nice thick bacon. Oh yeah, you got that sizzle going already. So let's get them going. Only got 4 pieces. And that's the last of that. Now, let's get that out of the way. I'm gonna get going on this, the tortillas, which are gonna be the crust of the pizza. So we'll start out with some oil. Just a little bit of extra virgin olive oil over here. All right. I want to make sure, I want to get a nice fry on these things. All right. And these things are only, I don't know, like around 6 inches apart or so. Or 6 inches, like, you know, smaller taco tortillas. So that's going, that's going. We're just gonna leave these here. I wanna get a nice fry on those. Give them a little turn. All right, bacon's cooking up good. Let's see how we're doing on this turkey. All right. Now, I'm gonna keep turning these things because I want to make sure, and actually I'm gonna make sure I get some like holes in them so they don't puff up, because we don't want that. And yeah, I'm gonna bring you back in just a second. All right, I'm gonna give these tortillas a little flip. I know they're not gonna be all brown yet. That's fine. Want to make sure we get that air out of there because we don't want these to be all puffy and all that stuff. So there we go. All right, just let them keep going. This bacon, let's give that a flip right here. Yeah, we're starting to cook up on that. Got a little splatter. All right, I'm just gonna leave my spatulas right there like that to keep a little weight on them. Try and keep them flat. Turkey's doing fine. So yeah, we're rolling along just good. These things are almost done. The crust of the bread's almost done. I'm gonna take that off, and because I want them to get, you know, cool down, get a little harder, a little firmer. So yeah, we're getting there. All right, so the tortillas or the crust of the pizza are done. See how we got some nice color going. Now we're just gonna let them sit out over here on the table so that they can cool down a little bit and start to firm up a little more. And how we doing on this bacon? We're looking good. Look at that bacon. Oh, baby, look at that bacon. All right. Now I'm just gonna let the bacon finish before I move into anything else, because I'm gonna crumble up the bacon into the veggies so everything's together, and it's gonna be a lot of great flavors moving together there. So we'll bring you right back. The bacon is done, so I'm gonna pull this off. I'm just gonna let that chill, cool down a little bit so I can put some gloves on and crumble it all up. And actually, you know what? No, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait because I don't want the veggies to get all mushy and stuff. So I'm gonna wait just a second on that, and we'll check back. After I took the bacon off, I just turned all my burners on low, except this one I turned off because that's my hottest burner. I'm trying to cool it down to cook the eggs over here. So let's go ahead and, I left all that bacon grease over on this side. All right. All right. All right, now we're good. Get that stuff cooking up. All right, let's get this bacon going. I got some gloves here, so I don't have to wash my hands again. All right, let's grab a couple of these. Just gonna crumple them up as best I can. The bigger pieces like this that aren't breaking, just gonna rip up. Ooh. Man, this smells really, really good. All right. Yeah, a couple of them didn't get all crispy like I was hoping, so got to rip them up a little bit, but it's still gonna be good, and they're gonna fry up nicely with all this. So, all right, get them out of there. Ooh, baby, that's smelling good. All right, so we're gonna get going on the eggs over here. Gonna get that butter or that oil over here. I'm not gonna throw any butter on here this time. Just gonna stick with the oil. It's nice and hot. Let's see where we're at. Yeah, it's pretty hot. It's at 380. So they're gonna cook up fast. And this is just 4 eggs. Oh yeah. Nice and nice. Just gonna leave them like that for a second. There we go. All right. Check back in on these veggies, and these are still looking great. And oh man, are they smelling great now too. That's done. Veggies are done. I'm gonna kill that. Yep, just gonna leave this one on over here. I'm gonna turn this one back on low. So we got off and off, and both of these are all the way low. And these eggs are just about done. Spread them out a little bit. And this is, I'm gonna cook everything over here too. This is where I'm gonna put everything together. So I'm gonna just go ahead and move you up over into the cooler area. All right, and give this one more flip. All right, let's put this stuff together. Ooh, man, I'm really digging it. So we got the 2 crusts, or tortillas, whatever you want to call them. I'm gonna put a little bit of cheese on each of these. All right, a little spillage is okay. Let's take some eggs. Falling apart on me. I'm trying to keep these nice and flat. And boom, just like that, throw the veggies on. Gonna have to move that around. Gonna smash it a little bit. And you know what? All right, so we got everything on there, the eggs, veggies, bacon. I'm gonna throw some more cheese on top because pizza has cheese on top. I wanna get a nice, generous amount over the whole thing. All right, now, to finish them off, I'm gonna bust out the new Christmas present. So let's go ahead and just steam these things up if I can get that cap off. Boom. Just let it cook under there, get all that cheese nice and melted, and we're about ready to go. So we got these off. I got some Taco Bell fire sauce. So I'm gonna throw some of that on one of them. Because I actually think this is some really good stuff to put on pizza. But we'll try this one first. It's actually pretty firm, pretty good. Let's get a bite. That's pretty good. You got a good crunchiness from that shell, actually. That bacon is right. Nice creaminess from that cheese. These eggs are pretty good. They're fluffy. You know, we added milk. We always do that. But, man, I mean, the veggies have a nice crunch to them. Not too crunchy, not too soft or anything like that. Let's get a bite of this. All right. I like that one better. The hot sauce, I love hot sauce on pizza or salsa. That's just my thing. I don't know, whatever. But man, this is really good actually. It cooked up real nice under the dome. And yeah, I don't know, I'm gonna get and eat my breakfast. Appreciate you guys coming along. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button. And subscribe if you like what you see. Don't forget we're giving away a griddle at 1,000 subscribers. As of filming this, we're just over 700, I think. And yeah, let's get it going.